So in today's session, we will be understanding what is the importance of three nadis in doing Nadi Shodhan, the alternate nostril breathing. Okay, why should we practice alternate nostril breathing, and what is the effect on all the three nadis, and why only three nadis? Okay. Let's talk about the three nadis first. What is the importance? So, as I said, brain has two lobes, left, right. So left control the right body part, right control the left body parts. And there is some central line, there is a central line. So in yogic concept, the three main nadis accomplish all these three segments of the body. But actually there are more than 72,000 nadi in a human body according to yogic concept. But here among all those 72,000, 10 are the important, and among those 10, 3 are the most important. So that's why we are focusing mainly the three nadis. Everything starts with the three nadis. So we are focusing on the center point. Okay, the most important. Our body is being controlled by the two main nadis, the channel, the energy channels. Ida, moon, controls the left side. Pingla, sun, controls the right side. Okay. In this Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, this is symmetry. Okay, this is based on this spiral. Okay, the whole thing. So the Pingla, the sun, controls the left brain and controls the left body. The spiral comes here.
Okay.
The sun controls the left brain,
Yes.
and controls the left body part also. Okay, the sun, because it is forming the spiral. Okay, it will go in a spiral form, so the direction will be angular. Okay,
Okay.
so the Pingla will go left side. The energy of the Pingla will go left side, and the energy of Pingla again will go to the left body part, but it is situated in the right side. The gross positioning is in right side. This is correlation with this kundalini. Okay, this is called kundalini, the spiral. So this explanation is based on the kundalini correlation with the three nadis, how it works. Okay, and but if there are some books also in which you will find the right controls the right body part, as you said. Okay, right controls the left brain and it in turn controls the right body part. Yes.
Okay.
So this is the theory, this is the right theory, like left brain control the right, right brain control the left. Okay. But when we talk about the correlation of kundalini and nadis, then it works in a spiral.
Okay. Now
Okay.
I understand.
So do not get confused on both the terms. So if anybody says your sun is controlling the right portion and the moon is controlling the left portion, so that is also correct.
Also correct. Okay.
But if anybody says no, it controls the right, controls the left, and left brain, left body. Okay, so it means it is said in correlation with the kundalini movement. Okay, the spiral movement. So both the concepts are true.
Both the concepts are true,
Yes.
but the different level.
On the basis of different levels. That's we have to keep in mind. Okay, so this is logically biomedical term. The left brain controls the right body part, and
Okay.
right brain control the left body part. This is a common concept.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
But when we correlate, and also left nadi, ping ira, control the left side only. But in common context, when the kundalini is not working, like for we common people, we are not, you can say, at the higher level of yoga, highest level of yoga, and in we such people, this is not happening.
Okay.
Okay, the ira controls the right, and ira controls the left.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So you know what? See,
I understand now.
Yeah.
I fully understand now.
Okay.
Yes, I fully understand now. So.
this picture you can understand.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
this is the higher yogi having awakened kundalini, means spiral energy.
Yes. It's
Okay.
Kundalini is working.
Yes, and this is we common people. Okay,
Okay.
not awakened kundalini.
Okay.
No spiral. The energy is straight
Okay.
from up to down, going down.
Then.
Okay, so here the right controls the left, left controls the right, because there is no spiral,
Okay.
is it?
Yes, I fully understand.
Yes.
I fully understand.
And when our kundalini is awaked, means the whole channel are being purified, and we will understand what is kundalini and what is awakening later. But
Okay.
simply understand this:
Yep.
when the kundalini awake, the spiral energy is, this energy do not drain out quickly in a straight line.
It's quicker.
Yes, we are draining our energy again and again, again and we are not holding it.
Nem tartjuk ezt. Ez a nagyon jó. Igen, igen.
We need to gain the energy by eating, by doing yoga again and again and again, draining. We are not holding it for longer. Okay? Because this kundalini is not awakened, means the nadis are not working properly. As the spiral starts forming,
Yes.
the energy can be holding more for the longer duration. Okay? So after that, the sun will control the right, and the sun will control the right body. And the moon will control the left, and moon will control the left body. In higher yogis, okay, the energy will be a spiral, and that's how the energy need to be flow in this manner. Okay, and the energy draining will be, you can say, very slow, or can be stopped if the energy is being blocked.
The energy, just slowly get out. Very, very slowly
Yeah,
get out.
yeah, because we are doing all the materialistic thing also.
And is it dangerous to holding the energy inside of?
It is dangerous when you are not ready for that.
Okay. People doing it.
People doing it, they need to amend their diet, they need to be physically healthy, fit, they need to be controlled sense organ, means start from outer world to inside. You can't awaken the kundalini, you can't purify the nadis without purifying your sense organs, your body, healthy mind. Okay, means first start increasing your capacity to hold the energy, increase the level of your vessel. This is vessel, okay, to hold the energy where you will hold. Okay, so in order to hold larger, you need to increase your dimension.
And when we are ready, the kundalini is awakened by automatically, or we have to help, get help some. master?
See, you need to start slow. Okay, start reading your body, mind. Like I say, start slow eating here. Adapt let your body and mind adapt this reason, because there is lot of distance. Your body needs time to adjust this reason. The diet here,
Okay.
the water here.
Okay.
Okay, so first thing is start slow. Okay, smaller yogic practices, chanting, exercising, breathing, everything. Okay, for slow, short duration, and then increase, like I say, 6, 7, 8. Okay, slow steps.
Okay.
And the second thing is change your diet habit, change your sleeping habit, try to control or balance your sense organs, what you read, what you talk, what you are surrounded with, the people, what kind of people you are being surrounded, what you are talking, what you are listening, what you are smelling.
All are being under control.
Yes,
Under consciousness.
be conscious towards your mind and body. Okay, and it means you are increasing your dimension, emptying your mind and body from the negativities, negative diet, negative listening, negative, means create the space. Okay, so if there will be more space, there will be more energy.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Understand. So
The first step is to clean it.